Would you look at that? Gotta get that patched up before we get it flat.
Let's not do it.
What's up, everyone? This is Thursday, June 8th. No, July 8th. July 8th, dear. So this morning, we're in the KOBELCO SK55 at mini excavator. We've gotten 2 loads of rock already. Or gravel, I should say. 2 loads of gravel. Not rock, big rocks, no. The power was already dug and laid. When I got here, I took a couple days off. I was feeling really under the weather, so were my kids, so I stayed home. The last video of me laying that power conduit, I actually went home after that. But anyway, got this thing warmed up, ready, fluids checked. Might throw some grease in it. Looks like it hadn't been greased in a couple days. Get all that nasty gunk out of there. Yeah. Real little bitty one for the quick coupler. Hopefully it's not clogged. All right, all greased up. Ooh, sounds smooth, no squeaking. So the sewer and the storm were already dug on this. Frank, I don't know if you can see him. Whee, a little too far. Frank, he's doing the storm right now. And that's on that side of the house. And on this side of the house is the sewer in the back. I don't think they put sleeves there, because the sleeves are down here. We'll have to check that out. If not, then we got to tunnel under the foundation again. Anyway, let's start digging this water. My gas line, okay, up here. See this machine, see, look at that. It's articulating by itself. Wait, there was a water main. There it is. I remember that from that one. Okay, that I don't want to hit. So, being that there's a water main also coming through here also, along with the gas and power, yada yada, you want to, we'll just open this water together since it's the last one, and then, or since it's the last trench that needs to be dug, and then we'll both lay it. You're the man! You're the man! Woo! Alright. Oh, this is gonna be a good day. About a good day. Yep, there's gravel right there. Other than what's in the sidewalk. Oh yeah, there's gravel. Probably ductile iron, which wouldn't be, you know, real easy to break, but I don't even want to deal with anything like that. Safe day. Nope, we're good. See, Tyler showed up to the shop with like four 2-packs of bee spray. Oh. Foundation guys needed to borrow a shovel and a pickaxe. The ground can get pretty hard out here, so I really hope that ductile iron is as deep as it needs to be. I remember digging that water over there and I couldn't find it. There's the ditch line right there. Right there. See all that? Woo! Gas is right in that area somewhere. And who knows how deep it is. I mean, we know it should be 18 to 24 inches. Sometimes it is not. You can't be too careful. Me, Frank, use rock. Oh no, you use the excavator hammer? Perfect. Alright, so a little water trench dug. Got a water line there, trace wire there, all the way to the sleeve in the front of the house there. So I'm gonna help Frank lay this. It's already started on the storm. Power's done. We'll lay the water, and I'll get back to you when we get in that thing right there. Awesome. We got all the pipe in the ground. Inspections came and passed all that. The only inspector that hadn't come is the power inspector, which is fine. Because tomorrow the builder's having I don't know if it's a contractor appreciation day or something, but they're having a big old barbecue. And we are invited to it. And so if we don't get inspections on the power today, that means we'll probably be back out here tomorrow. So what I'm doing is I'm backfilling the water line trench. I'm going to figure out it's an 8-foot patio. Well, on that 2-foot jog in there, it's 8 foot. On this little pop out in there, it's 6 foot. So I'm going to get that cut out at the same time. Measure this out real quick and we'll have to go 8'6". That's gonna happen, yeah. That side's about where it needs to be, so we'll just make one of our little beautiful paint marks here. I don't know if you can see my layout there, the orange line, a foot off the foundation that way, 8 foot out, all the way out here, and around to there. So I don't know if my measurement was right on this side, but I think I'm a little off. We'll just cut out a little more. Rather have too much than not enough. So we got our rock in our front patio, and got our last load of rock in the garage there, and then you can see we got one there. I had them back up there. But anyway, there's 2 patios on this one. That's why I had them dump it over there, so I wouldn't have to track it all the way around scoop by scoop. We're gonna have a skid steer here. So yeah, we're just moving right along. I'm gonna hop in the 312 that's over there and finish moving all this dirt. We got a whole bunch of dirt here that doesn't need to be here. So yeah, I'm gonna hop to it real quick. Fluid check, foot filters blown out. We are ready to start backfilling my backyard. Birds like a kid. We made it around here to that backyard. Here's that gravel that he dumped down here for me. Got a bed in this pipe and then backfill. This is a storm. On these houses over here, the storm's in the back. Just want to sprinkle it on there. Either one, you'll bend the pipe, bust it out of the fitting, and it's just a pain in the butt to dig a bunch of gravel off of it. I'm gonna go bed that in real quick. All right, that's all bedded in. I'm gonna usually I put like 6 inches to a foot of gravel over these just to protect them a little bit, but this one, I'm gonna do a little more because this is a 12-ton machine. That's 24,000 pounds. You got the bucket, yada yada. I want to say like 28,000, give or take. So I don't want to crush that pipe, so I'm going to cover it with gravel, about a good 1.5 to 2 foot. There's going to be no traffic over this, but the only reason is this machine. Wasn't so heavy, I wouldn't do so much, but it's heavy. She's a heavy girl. Ooh. I'll just pull some dirt on it, like this. Oh yeah, come on. I'll move the whole earth like that. You see that? Move the whole ground. Oh, I love this machine. I can't even see nothing now. I still got the sniffles from feeling under the weather. So sorry you guys got to hear that. And I think a lot of it's allergies too. All the pollen around here is starting, and oh boy. I don't know if you can see my little paint lines down there, but it's a 10 by 10 patio, 2 foot off the edge of the foundation, from the outside of the foundation to the edge of concrete, 10 foot. And I think we're about grade because we got to hold this grade high because the walkway over here is really high. So I'm just going to scrape out a bunch of loose stuff, whatever's just loose, and get rid of, and then just throw gravel on top of that because the ground is hard, and personally we don't need to bring all that much gravel in here. Save work, time. See, that's pretty hard ground. Cutting out a little too much, but rather take out too much than not enough. All right, so we got both patios done here, and that one here. We're holding grades very high because I don't know. Let's see if you can see this perspective. Now there's plenty of dirt, but anyway, there's that little walkway right there. We are darn near flat with that, just barely. So, plan of attack now is to get up there straight. You got me? Okay. As to come, I'm gonna get all this dirt, drag it this way, get all this dirt, extra dirt here, drag this way. Not even gonna mess with that there. And then so we can come and load this out on a later date. I'll kind of basically put it, nope, I'm gonna put it there. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pile everything there, so when we can get a dump truck in here, it'll sit right there and we can load them out right there. That's the plan so far. And then I'll end up at the end of the day getting that garage prep done. All it needs is just spread out and smooth out with the blade. So we're going by quick today. So what I'll probably do is set you guys up on a time lapse outside, and oh nope, don't want to lose the plans. Hold on. Set you guys up on a time lapse, and we'll get this all this dirt moved, huh? Get all this dirt moved. Wow. So there she is, folks. Backfilled. It's not graded pretty yet. That'll probably happen tomorrow if we can load out that dirt. If not, then that's gonna be the grade. It's gonna stay. Backyard. Here's backyard. The two patios. It's not super graded, like I said. They're gonna come in here with 312, load all that dirt out. Then I'll come back tomorrow when power inspections come and slick everything up, get it looking nice. Like I said, depending on if that dirt pile gets moved. If not, then just this part is gonna look nice. But that's all we got for today, folks. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt and I work for an excavation company. With that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you next time.